Why use Pipfile or Pyproject.toml for Python projects? Imagine trying to keep track of ingredients for a recipe using scattered notes and lists. That's what managing dependencies in Python used to feel like. Now, with Pipfile and Pyproject.toml, it's like having a clear, organized cookbook. These files are designed to make dependency management and project setup much easier, especially for backend developers working with APIs, databases, and server-side logic. Traditionally, Python projects used requirement stacks to list dependencies and setup, py or setup, CFG for packaging. But this meant managing multiple files, which could get confusing and lead to mistakes. Pipfile was introduced by the pipenv tool to combine dependency requirements and virtual environment configuration into one file. It uses the toml format, which is simple to read and write. Pipfile separates dependencies needed for production from those needed only for development, like testing tools, making it easier to keep environments clean. Pyproject.toml is a newer, standardized file introduced by Python Enhancement Proposal 621. It aims to unify project metadata, dependencies, and build system requirements in one place. This means you don't need multiple files for different parts of your project. Many modern tools like Poetry, Hatch, and Flit support Pyproject.toml, automating tasks like dependency resolution, virtual environment creation, and packaging. Using Pyproject.toml offers several benefits for backend projects. It provides a single source of truth for all project settings, reducing mistakes. It integrates well with tools like Poetry, which handle dependency installation and environment management automatically. This is especially helpful when working with frameworks like Django or Flask, where specific package versions matter for APIs or databases. Another advantage is environment isolation. Tools linked to Pyproject.toml automatically create and manage virtual environments, ensuring your project runs the same way on different machines. This consistency is key when deploying APIs or connecting to databases that need specific package versions. You can also specify which dependencies are only needed during development, like testing frameworks, so your production environment stays lean. While Pipfile is helpful, it sometimes requires additional configuration files for tools like Black or PyTest, leading to duplicated effort. Pyproject.toml aims to centralize all configurations, making setup and maintenance more straightforward. For example, with Poetry, you can define dependencies, development dependencies, project metadata, and tool settings all in one file, simplifying your workflow. In practical terms, for a Python backend project using Django or Flask, adopting Pyproject.toml makes dependency management clearer and more reliable. It ensures all dependencies are locked in and reproducible. Virtual environments are created and managed automatically, saving time and reducing errors. Plus, the standardized format makes it easier to share and collaborate on projects. To sum up, Pipfile was a step forward, but Pyproject.toml is now the best way to organize Python projects. It offers a unified, easy-to-maintain approach that fits perfectly with modern development workflows. For backend developers working with APIs, databases, and server-side logic, it streamlines setup, keeps dependencies clear, and makes deployment smoother.